Welcome to Flower Education IELTS. In this video, I'm gonna share synonym of most frequently used words that I learned with little practice and hard work and were of great help to me in answering questions in all the modules. I mean speaking, reading, listening, especially for restating and rephrasing the writing module. Let's start.
Our first word is 20th century. The previous century, the last century. Next is the next century. I mean the 21st century. The present century, the age of information technology. Next is accept. Receive, welcome, acknowledge, consent to, and recognize. Accommodate. House, lodge, shelter, quarters. Bad. Unpleasant, unsatisfactory, adverse, awful, terrible, unacceptable, detrimental, deleterious, deplorable, and depraved. Next is children. Well, there are different words according to different age group. The one who is under 3 years is called newborn, infant, baby, toddler. For under 18, youngster, youth, teenager, adolescent, juvenile, and minor. For over 18, adult, grown up, and mature being. If we're gonna use children in regard to their parents, then we can use words like offspring, little one, kid, ward, descendant, son and daughter. Next is common language. Link language, connecting language, lingua franca. Continue. Carry on, pursue, keep on, maintain, proceed with, prolong, and extend. Our next word is country. State, nation, province, sovereign state, kingdom, territory, lands, empire, and commonwealth. Next is culture. Civilization, way of life, lifestyle, customs, traditions, heritage, habits, values, and society. Dangerous, alarming, grave, hazardous, perilous, precarious, risky, and volatile. Next is describe. Explain, express, present, illustrate, depict, narrate, and portray. Debatable matter. Burning issue, controversial issue, bone of contention, and moot issue. Next is decrease. An important word for academic part 1. Decline, reduction, plummet, lessen, drop, diminish, dwindle, shrinkage, plunge, curtail, turn down, lowering, and go down. Environment. If we use this word related to earth, then the synonyms are the natural world, nature, climate, ecosystem, the biosphere, mother nature, and surroundings. And if it relates to a place in which people live and work, then the synonyms are ambience, situation, circumstances, and conditions. Essential. Basic, mandatory, crucial, fundamental, rudimental, and vital. Next is expert. Specialized, competent, knowledgeable, master, professional, skilled, and proficient. Exploit. Misuse, abuse, ill-treat, mistreat, and maltreat. A commonly used word in writing, globalization. The changed economic scenario, worldwide integration, the new world economic order, single world culture, internationalization of business. Next is good. Excellent, admirable, great, esteemed, fabulous, ideal, remarkable, splendid, phenomenal, tremendous, impressive, and stand out. Next is government. Supremacy, authority, ministry, regime, state, bureaucracy, administration, council, and cabinet. Next is huge, and the synonyms are enormous, immense, colossal, gigantic, mammoth, massive, mega, and vast. Immigrant, migrant, non-native, emigrant, adoptive citizen, documented alien, foreigner, newcomer, alien, and neutralized citizen. Our 24th word is important, crucial, essential, pivotal, significant, imperative, paramount, and vital. Our next word is increase, and this word has lots of synonyms such as grow, surge, shoot up, enlarge, advance, escalate, intensify, proliferate, enhance, put up, extend, rise, multiplication, upsurge, hike, and boost. Internet, the global digital media, cyberspace, online network, the World Wide Web, and hyperspace. Next is legal, lawful, permissible, authorized, allowable, and legitimate. Next is low priced, inexpensive, cost effective, reasonable, pocket friendly, thrifty, affordable, and economical. Opinion, conviction, perspective, belief, point of view, estimation, impression, perception, viewpoint, notion, standpoint, and judgment. Next is parents, and the synonyms are guardians and progenitor. Our 31st word is past, bygone days, earlier days, days gone by, former times, old days, the old times, and earlier period. Pollution, emission of greenhouse gases, contamination, harmful substances, dirtying or deterioration of something, toxic waste, and adulteration. Next is poor, impoverished, poverty stricken, economically weak, deprived, destitute, and penniless. Preserve, defend, conserve, maintain, perpetuate, stockpile, retain, and sustain. Next is people, humans, individuals, folk, masses, persons, human beings, public, and citizens. Reduce, mitigate, lessen, curtail, alleviate, limit, diminish, lower, and shorten. School, institute, educational institution, academy, educational centers. Solutions, remedial measures, corrective actions, countermeasures, pragmatic solution, viable solution. Next is student, pupil, scholar, learner, disciple, and educatee. Our last word is teacher, educator, tutor, pedagogue, instructor, coach, mentor, trainer, lecturer, and professor. Professor refers to one who teaches in college, not in school.
I hope these words would be of great help. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. Wish you all the best for your IELTS exam. Press the subscribe button and give a thumbs up because this tells us that you like our video. Take care.